Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the intricate relationships between species and their environments. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you today's top story. In the heart of the Everglades, a unique challenge is about to unfold, one that requires skill, strategy, and a deep understanding of the ecosystem. The Florida Python Challenge is back, and this year it's more critical than ever. For those who may not be familiar, the Burmese python, native to Southeast Asia, has become an invasive species in the Everglades, wreaking havoc on the delicate balance of this globally significant ecosystem. Imagine a snake that can grow up to 13 feet in length, with no natural predators to speak of, and you'll begin to understand the magnitude of the problem. It's estimated that between 100 to 300 of these massive serpents are slithering through the Everglades, decimating local wildlife and ecosystems. The story of how they arrived here is a fascinating, yet cautionary tale. Many years ago, well-meaning pet owners, realizing they were in over their heads with these enormous creatures, released them into the wild, unaware of the devastating consequences that would follow. Today, the Florida Python Challenge offers a unique opportunity for individuals to make a tangible difference in the conservation effort. From July 10th to 19th, participants will venture into the Everglades, armed with nothing but their wits, specialized equipment, and a deep respect for these incredible animals. The goal is simple: to humanely capture and remove as many pythons as possible, thereby helping to restore balance to this fragile ecosystem. What's truly remarkable about this challenge is the sense of community that has formed around it. Last year, nearly 1,000 participants from across the United States and Canada joined forces, removing a record 294 pythons from the wild. The dedication and expertise of these individuals are a testament to the power of collective action in the face of environmental adversity. As we explore this story further, we're reminded that even in the most challenging of circumstances, there is always hope for redemption and renewal. The Florida Python Challenge serves as a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world, and the incredible rewards that await us when we work together towards a common goal. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we're exploring the intricate tapestry of life on Earth and our place within it. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves in a region where the beauty of nature is starkly contrasted with the harsh realities of human conflict. In Ukraine, a country known for its rich biodiversity and significant role in global bird migration patterns, the ongoing war has had a devastating impact on wildlife. The skies above Ukraine, once filled with the melodies of birds, are now dominated by the hum of drones and the occasional boom of aerial bombardments. This shift is not just a change in noise pollution, but a stark indicator of how human activities can disrupt delicate ecosystems. The 200-kilometer front line stretches across what were once pristine habitats, nesting grounds, and crucial migratory routes for numerous bird species. Volunteers and soldiers amidst the chaos of war have undertaken the noble task of rescuing and treating injured birds. Their efforts are a testament to the human spirit's capacity for compassion and conservation, even in the darkest of times. These individuals navigate the dangerous landscape, not just to save human lives, but also to preserve the beauty and biodiversity that Ukraine is known for. The impact of war on wildlife is multifaceted. Beyond the immediate harm caused by explosions and habitat destruction, there's a long-term effect on ecosystems. The disruption of migratory patterns can have cascading effects on global biodiversity, as birds play crucial roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control across different continents. As we reflect on the situation in Ukraine, it serves as a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of human and natural systems. The health of our ecosystems is intricately linked with our own well-being and the state of our planet. It underscores the importance of finding peaceful resolutions to conflicts, not just for humanity, but for the preservation of life in all its forms. This story from Ukraine also highlights the resilience of nature and the human spirit. Even as we face the challenges posed by conflict and environmental degradation, there are countless individuals and organizations working tirelessly towards conservation and peace. As we move forward, it's essential to recognize the value of biodiversity and the importance of preserving natural habitats. It's a call to action for all of us to contribute, in whatever way we can, towards creating a world where humans and wildlife can thrive together. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude today's journey, I'd like to take a moment to discuss a rather unexpected topic that intersects with our natural world, food safety. You might be wondering how this relates to the great outdoors, but bear with me and you'll see the connection. Recently, there was a significant recall of various food products due to salmonella contamination. The recall involved a wide range of items, from potato chips to salad dressing, pizza, and even certain seasonings. The common thread among these products was their use of powdered milk or buttermilk from California Dairies Inc., which had been distributed across the country. Now, you might be thinking, what does this have to do with nature? Well, salmonella is a type of bacteria that occurs naturally in the environment. It can be found in soil, water, and even the gastrointestinal tracts of animals. When we bring food into our homes, there's always a risk of contamination, especially if proper handling and storage procedures aren't followed. As we've discussed on this show before, human activities can have unintended consequences on the natural world. In this case, the mass production and distribution of food products can lead to widespread contamination, affecting not just human health, but also the environment. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimates that there are about 1.35 million cases of salmonellosis in the US each year, resulting in 26,500 hospitalizations and 420 deaths. These numbers are a sobering reminder of the importance of food safety and responsible production practices. As we go about our daily lives, it's essential to be mindful of the potential risks associated with the food we eat. Proper handling, storage, and cooking techniques can significantly reduce the risk of salmonella contamination. In conclusion, this story serves as a reminder of the intricate connections between human activities, the natural world, and our own well-being. As we strive to live in harmony with nature, it's crucial to consider the broader implications of our actions, including the food we produce, consume, and discard. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.